Okay, now we move forward to the next contestant, contestant number 3, CA Harshil Hakani ji. Kumar ji, you can stop sharing. Harshil ji, you may start.
Yes, sir, starting. Just to confirm, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is
And your
CA
time.
Harshil Hakani, specialized in GST, RERA, Advanced Excel, Power Query, and AI-based tool development. Today, I would like to show you how AI can make our audit process faster and smoother. You also may have faced this issue that client changes the data without informing you, and manually track the changes is really difficult task. It is a very time consuming and it also increases the risk of errors. In Tally, we usually detecting such changes manually. We manually check each edit log and compare trial balance to find out the changes. But that is slow and inefficient. Here is where AI can help us. We can use AI to create a TDL and get this task done. Let's first understand what is the TDL. In simple language, TDL is a Tally's built-in language. It allows us to customize reports, validation, and UI directly within Tally without needing any external tools. So now let us start to build the TDL for our requirement.
Harshil, I think your screen sharing is stopped.
No, sir, I am sharing my entire screen. That's why, because I'm going to Google. Now my screen is visible.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So this is basically Grok AI. I have found Grok AI more powerful in terms of writing code of whether it is a Excel or a Python. So what I will do, I will just give a simple prompt that give me a TDL for a Teleprime 6, that is my Teleprime version, to extract a date, voucher type, voucher number, narration, and updated time from voucher register or a day book. And kindly add some unique tests, because sometimes what happens that if field name is duplicated, then TDL will show the error. So Grok will provide me a TDL. Okay, so Grok has provided me the TDL. Now I will just simply copy this one, go to the notepad, I will paste this, I will press Ctrl S. While saving, I will mention any name. After name, I need to give the extension .tdl for saving the TDL file. And in save as type, I will select all files. So it will save my TDL as a daybook TDL. So now my TDL is saved in my PC. Now what I will do, I will go to Tally. This is a dummy company. I have changed the name of a company. I will go to the help. I will go to the TDL and add-ons. I will go for a manage local TDLs, as my TDL is in my local network. I will just simply select the daybook and I will give it yes. So the TDL has been loaded to my Tally. And now if you see, there is a voucher register extract has been given. So it is a report prepared by a TDL. Now I simply click on a voucher register extract. So if you check that it has given me a date, voucher type, voucher number, narration, and updated time. Updated time is not working as of now, because what sometimes happens that AI has not the full idea that what field name should be there. So I will give the other prompt that okay, some items are coming. So updated for a updated date of and time. If you check that it has used alter date time format, which is not in Tally. So I will give the other prompt that instead of alter date time, give me the updated date time and give me the new TDL. So again, it will take some time and give me the new TDL. It will just replace the alter date and time with a updated date and time field. Okay, so now I will just simply copy it. I will open another notebook, paste it. I will save again. I will give it a name daybook.2 TDL, select all file and save. I will now just simply go to Tally again, Tally and add-on, F for manage local TDL. Instead of daybook, I will select daybook2 and end of list, and I will select. So if you check that now it is showing updated time. So what has been done? It has taken updated time, when is the voucher date and when the voucher is updated. How it is useful? If you receive data on say let's say 30 April, after 30th April, accountant made some changes and you want to find out that how many changes are there. So simply you can use this TDL and check the updated time date. We will just go to one any voucher and we will just check. I will go to the journal number GT3 and we will update the narration or anything. If something is updated, our date will be automatically updated. Journal GT3 is here. Computer miscellaneous expense. Okay. I will just add narration that is computer expense and accept. And now I will again go to the voucher register extract. So if you check that now narration has come and it is showing that updated time is a 13 June 25. So in this way, we can directly easily identify that which voucher has been changed after we have received the data from the client. So it is easily identifiable. In Tally, edit log is there, but we need to manually go one by one in transaction to find out which vouchers has been updated. I am just sharing my PPT. So we have built the TDL. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate the TDL, but to get accurate result, we must use the correct field name, as we have checked that updated date time I have used. So exporting a sample XML file from a Tally helps us to get that field name. I have extracted the XML file. I will show you at the end to how to get that exact field name. With custom TDL, we can automate change detection as it identifies a modified or new vouchers and give us a detailed report that is a voucher wise report. So here is a quick comparison that why TDL is a better. Unlike audit logs or trial balance comparison, custom TDL gives you a voucher level detailed visibility in one place. It is faster, cleaner, and removes the need of a manual check across multiple screens. So in conclusion, by using TDL, we free ourselves from a repetitive manual checks. And instead of that, we can focus on what matters to us, that is making informed decisions. So here I end my presentation. I extend my sincere thanks to ICAI for providing me with this opportunity. And I would now be happy to address any questions you may have. And I will just quickly show the XML part.
Harshil, the last 1.5 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Now my full screen is visible.
Yes, please.
Okay. So this is the XML file which we can directly generate from a Tally by just clicking on export, going to export, then by clicking on a transactions. Here there is an option of transactions. And by selecting any range of date, that is from a 1 to 10, 5 to 10 days will be sufficient for us. I will open this XML in Notepad because age will not work here. I will open edit in Notepad. So as you can see, it has a many field, envelope, import data. From here, voucher remote ID, the new voucher has been started. Then there are many types of fields are there. So what I have done that I have tried to updated the voucher once, and I have just checked for a 2025 June 13. So here is a updated date time field. So this is the exact field name of a tally. So if you want to prepare any kind of a TDL, let's say custom TDL, if you want to add a party name, GSTN, you just need to simply identify it from a year field name and give it to the any AI, LLM, say ChatGPT or Grok, and you will need to say that, okay, keep this field name as it is and give me the new TDL. Then your TDL will work fully as my work and as the voucher screen has been updated. Okay, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, Harshil, it was a nice presentation. I have a couple of questions.
Yes, sir.
Uh, can we use TDL also to obtain first entry date? Like you have just mentioned the date when it was last edited. And similarly, can we get details of the users who had made the original entry as well as the edited one? Can we do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If user access is there, means your tele security is there and multiple users are there, we
Hmm.
can identify the name of one user of us in XML first, and then we can give that field to the Grok. Say let's say add user field in TDL. It will add and it will work. And created date is also is there. Created date I have for a dummy. First I have created only through created date to check out. So created date is also there. We can find out in XML and we can give it give field to Grok and they will provide TDL in our correct version. It will
Can
work.
this TDL be used as a replacement of edit log?
No, this TDL is taking transaction from the edit log. So this TDL cannot be replaced to the edit log. Edit log is already there in Tally. That's why it is taking the taking the data from that edit log data. So we cannot replace with it edit log. Edit log is there, and we can use the this TDL to directly get the updated date field from Tally.
But the
Direct voucher updated field. Yes.
But the tally version you present before us, it
Ah.
was, if I'm not, it was not TDL version, right? I mean, it was not edit log version, right?
Yeah, it is not a edit log version, but the
Hmm.
company has edit log enabled, and I have opened that company which has edit log enabled. So if company edit log is not enabled, updated date time field will not be there. That's why it will not work in a company where edit log is not enabled. So you need to edit. You need to start the edit log to get this data.
Okay, okay. Any question from other the jury members?
No, sir, fine from my side.
So just one quick question, Harshil. You mentioned that this PDL would only work if my client has also Tally edit log feature, then only this feed will get enabled, right? And once then the hierarchy will go like even if my client does not have this TDL loaded in their ERP. So I'll just get the data from them, and because in that data, in my vouchers, my updated date field will be created. So I'm just creating an additional report in my ERP just to filter out the transaction which have been edited by the client. And just tell me one thing, this will only show one edit or it can show all the further edits also. Let's say my client has edited entries multiple times.
No, as of now, updated date time is showing the last updated only. That is,
Okay,
if 2 or 3 times has been updated, it will show only last updated time. As of now,
okay.
it is not showing a detailed transaction log. And in XML, I have gone through XML, but it is not visible, I think. So as of now, it is showing only the last updated field. As of now.
Okay. And can we also know which field exactly was changed in the voucher?
No, as of now, it is not showing, but by using this TDL, if you have the previous data and if you have the current data, from this
So you can
TDL, we
compare
can
and check it.
export the data and we can easily compare through Python, or only Excel is sufficient to compare that which fields has been changed, that narration, ledger name, which field has been changed. We can easily compare that.
Okay, okay. And is there any difference between the Tally TCP file and Tally TDL file?
I think the one minor difference is only that TDL file is opened by anyone. TDL file can be opened by anyone, but TCP file is an advanced version of TDL file, which have some more securities and cannot be opened directly in Notepad. We need some that tele software, that tele developer software to open the TCP file, and TCP file have some additional layer of security so that TCP file cannot be read by anyone. That what code has been written, that cannot be done in TCP file, but TDL file we can open just by clicking on edit in Notepad.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you, Harshil.